Welcome back to my YouTube channel. 2026 Audi Q9 is set to become one of the most anticipated luxury SUVs of the decade, representing the pinnacle of Audi's craftsmanship, performance, and design philosophy. This new flagship SUV sits above the Audi Q7 in the brand's lineup, taking direct aim at competitors such as the BMW X7, Mercedes-Benz GLS, and Range Rover. With its bold new proportions, futuristic technology, and the promise of both power and sophistication, the Q9 is more than just another large SUV, it's Audi's vision of what a true luxury family vehicle should be in the modern era. At first glance, the 2026 Audi Q9 demands attention. Its design language follows Audi's latest evolution of precision and strength, featuring a large single-frame octagonal grille that dominates the front fascia. Flanking it are ultra-slim matrix LED headlights, giving the SUV a fierce and confident expression. The hood lines flow seamlessly into broad fenders, while a sculpted side profile and massive alloy wheels enhance its muscular stance. Around the back, a full-width OLED light strip connects the taillights, creating a futuristic and cohesive rear look. Every detail has been refined to project authority, from its aerodynamic mirrors to the chrome accents and wide shoulders that emphasize power and presence. Step inside, and the Q9's interior embodies modern luxury with unmistakable Audi elegance. The cabin layout is spacious, refined, and crafted from the highest quality materials. Premium Valcona leather, real wood or brushed aluminum trims, and customizable ambient lighting create an environment that feels both sophisticated and inviting. The dashboard is dominated by Audi's dual-screen MMI touch response system, seamlessly integrated into the center console. A 12.3-inch virtual cockpit display replaces traditional dials, offering crisp, configurable visuals for navigation, driving data, and entertainment. Optional rear seat entertainment screens and a premium Bang & Olufsen 3D sound system make every journey an experience in itself. Space is one of the Q9's biggest strengths. As Audi's largest SUV ever, it offers genuine three-row comfort. The second row provides ample legroom and can be configured as a bench or as two individual captain's chairs, while the third row is designed to accommodate adults comfortably, something few competitors achieve successfully. The panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light, and even with all three rows in use, cargo space remains impressive. Fold down the rear seats, and the Q9 transforms into a cavernous luxury hauler capable of handling long road trips or weekend getaways with ease. Under the hood, the 2026 Audi Q9 is expected to offer a range of powerful and efficient engines. Base models are likely to feature a 3.0-liter turbocharged V6, delivering smooth and responsive performance. Higher trims may offer a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 producing over 500 horsepower, catering to those who crave raw performance and refined power delivery. For eco-conscious buyers, a plug-in hybrid variant is rumored, combining electric capability with traditional combustion power to deliver both efficiency and versatility. Every variant comes equipped with Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system, ensuring superior traction, stability, and confidence on any road surface. An adaptive air suspension system will allow drivers to adjust ride height and firmness, switching effortlessly between comfortable cruising and dynamic performance. Technology and safety are at the heart of the Q9's identity. Advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, 360-degree cameras, and automated parking make driving effortless and secure. The latest version of Audi's AI-driven predictive system uses sensors, cameras, and GPS data to anticipate driving conditions and adjust performance parameters in real time. Over-the-air software updates ensure the Q9 remains cutting-edge long after it leaves the showroom. In essence, the Q9 blends human-centric design with intelligent automation, redefining what modern luxury means behind the wheel. The driving experience of the Q9 promises to be as versatile as it is luxurious. In comfort mode, it glides smoothly over bumps and imperfections, offering a serene cabin that isolates passengers from outside noise. Switch to dynamic mode, and the suspension stiffens, steering sharpens, and the engine unleashes its full potential, turning the Q9 into a surprisingly agile performer for its size. Whether it's city commuting, long highway drives, or light off-roading, the Q9 adapts effortlessly, delivering confidence and control in every situation. Expected to launch globally in late 2025 as a 2026 model, the Audi Q9 will set new standards for luxury SUVs. While pricing hasn't been officially confirmed, Industry insiders expect it to start around $85,000 for the base model and rise beyond $110,000 for fully loaded or performance-oriented trims. Its combination of opulence, power, and practicality positions it as a serious contender in the premium SUV market, a model that could become Audi's new icon. For a YouTube audience,